Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to do this soft pink smoky eye makeup look with no false lashes and eyeliner. For this tutorial I'm gonna be using the Essence Disney Belle eyeshadow palette. We have pink, purple and blue shades in this one, and I'm gonna start off with this light neutral eyeshadow. It is like a cool tone soft beige shade, and I'm using this as my transition color. I'm buffing that out in the crease area with the eye blender brush by Essence. And to deepen up this crease shade, I'm taking the next eyeshadow. This one is a little bit darker and it has a soft maroon color. With the same brush, I'm diffusing this shade in the crease as well, and I'm going back and forth. After that, I'm taking this beautiful purple eyeshadow. It has a matte finish, and with this, I'm gonna define the outer crease. With the brush 121 by Luxie, I'm blending this in the outer part of my eyelid as well. I'm adding some more to intensify the color, and I'm also going over the edges without any additional product. And this is gonna give a smoother look to the eyeshadows. And here we have a small banana break for some extra energy. And then I'm picking up this light pink shimmery shade. This one has a very pretty golden sheen to it, and I'm gonna press it on the center of the eyelid. To make the shade more vibrant on the eyes, I'm using some setting spray on my Essence eyeshadow brush. This is gonna make the golden sheen more noticeable, and after that I'm also dabbing some product on the same area to set the eyeshadow. I'm always doing that every time that I'm spraying my brush with a setting spray. Next, I'm taking this light pink shade to highlight the inner part of the eyelid with the eyeshadow brush by Bella Pierre. And I'm also adding some in the tear duct and the brow bone. To soften up the edges, I'm taking my blending brush again and I'm diffusing the brow bone highlighter. For a more precise application, you can also use a pencil brush like what I'm doing on the other eye. This is one of the dollar brushes that I tried in a previous video and I was so impressed by them. I still am, by the way. Here we have a dark brown eyeshadow with a matte finish and a warmer undertone. I'm diffusing this shade in the outer portion of the lower lash line with a double-ended brush by Urban Decay. It has very soft bristles and it is a perfect brush for the under eye area. I'm adding 2 layers of this shade, and then with the same brush I'm going over the edges to soften them out. Let's continue with this gold shimmery shade. I'm buffing that in the inner part of the lower lash line, and it looks super pretty with the pink eyeshadow on the eyelid. Very lightly I'm blending the 2 shades together to give an ombre effect to the eye look. Up next, I'm picking up this brown brick eyeshadow. It has a beautiful rich color and a matte finish, and with this one I'm going over the edges of the lower lash line, and it matches so well with the 2 other colors. Some extra tip: try to use a small amount of this one so you don't cover the gold and purple eyeshadows. I'm going back to the purple shade, and this time with an angle brush by Essence, I'm defining the upper lash line. I'm pressing this very close to the lashes, and I'm also blending the edges without adding more product on my brush. In the waterline, I'm using a brown eye pencil. This is by Maybelline and it is the Linery Fine Expression Kajal in the shade 38 Brown. For mascara, I'm taking the Lash Golds mascara by Essence. This one is waterproof and has a very nice deep black color. Let's contour the face a little bit. I'm using the Clean ID Mineral Bronzer by Catrice. It has SPF 15 and it is also vegan. I'm diffusing this on the cheekbones, forehead and jawline with the brush 3 by BH Cosmetics. This product is so creamy, and I'm also using some to define my nose with the brush 6 by BH Cosmetics. For blush, I'm using this one by Sigma. It is the Aura powder in the shade Nymphea. It has a light pink color and a matte finish. I'm adding this to my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. It gives a very girly vibe and goes so well with the eye makeup. To highlight my face, I'm picking up the Sun, Sand and Golden Rainbows Baked Highlighter by Essence. It is in the shade 2, Chasing the Sun, and I'm taking the lightest powder which has a champagne color. With this I'm highlighting the cheekbones and the tip of my nose. After that I'm blending everything together in circular motions. Moving on to this nude lipstick by Essence, it is the This Is Me lipstick in the shade 12 Loyal, and you can watch next this video here. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!